Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to link bank account on Wise. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. But before we go further, if you want to sign up for Wise, make sure to check out the link in the description for a quick and easy sign up process. So let's get started. As you can see, we are just logged in into Wise, and as you can see, this is where you will end up. What you need to do, just click on the name of your account at the top right corner. You will see the drop down menu, click on settings. You will end up over here, find connected accounts, and under connected accounts you will see the bank accounts option. Click on connect your bank account. After that you will end up over here, and we have only 3 countries to connect our bank account. For example, we are going for the United States. We have 2 options over here, instant verification and manual verification. For this tutorial, I can show you manual verification. Obviously, instant verification would take only a second. So I'm just going to go with the manual verification. And here you are going to write your routing number of your bank account and even your account number. Select the account type, and after that you can name it and just click on confirm. Make sure to see how many days it would take, 3 to 5 days. So just remember that, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to link bank account on Wise. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.